to another stream at TreeRoot.City live. My name is TreeCity Wes. Let's just make sure we got the stream going before we get started. We're just chilling out tonight. We got the GPT-69 mint going on, so doing the launch coverage of the mint. It's a private meme terminal that uses AI. City live. My name is TreeCity Wes. Awesome. Okay, let me get that off the screen. This feels a little quiet. Check, check. We're just chilling out tonight. We got the GPT-69 mint going on, so doing the launch coverage of the mint. It's a private meme terminal that uses AI. City live. My name is TreeCity Wes. Awesome. Cool. All right, that looks good over on YouTube. So we'll go ahead and get the tweet. Let everyone know we're live. We are live. So we got YouTube. We got Pump Fun. Make sure the stream's going on Pump Fun. Stream's going on Pump Fun. Yep, looks good over there. And then we got X. Oh, you motherfucker. Pardon my French. Make sure we got the chat up. Cool. Cool. We're live on X. That looks good. GPT-69 AI meme terminal launch coverage. Meme contest and giveaway Zune. Tune in to find out more. All right. Cool. So we got this going. Let me get this in the Telegram real quick. Stream is live. Come hang on Pump Fun, YouTube, or X. Cool. All right, just getting things set up. Gonna take a look at some charts, gonna make some memes, maybe update some websites, do some vibe coding, see what's happening in the markets. Heard all kinds of crazy rumors today. My wife is streaming on TikTok. Should we go say what's up to her real quick? There's the beautiful wife and myself. Signed in.
You're targeting.
I should have took the spot.
We're like working together in any sort of official capacity.
You're on my stream.
I think she just kind of started leaning towards me.
I would have
the
won.
last couple days when Catherine left.
Yeah.
You know.
Hey, Dark. Who do you think is actually going to be the read on?
Since Catherine's been gone, we've talked
Hey,
before,
you're on my stream. What does this mean?
Yeah.
What stream am I
yeah,
on?
very much.
You're
to
live
Or what
on
are you
YouTube,
casting
babe.
me on?
be honest. But I know she talks. Kelly likes her a lot. She talks to her a lot.
Awesome.
I mean,
So she likes to talk
Ashley.
about
at this point, I
Big Brother and
definitely trust Kelly.
Oh.
TV show she's
Yeah.
Hi, YouTube.
watching.
I don't want to.
She's down in the living room while I'm upstairs in the office.
Okay, well, if YouTube cares, Rachel and Keanu are in the workout room right
How
now
are you and her?
having a talk. I think Ashley is
He's talking about
currently
Big Brother
Ashley is
characters.
probably the renom, but there's still a lot of gaming to happen between now and
Make
Monday.
it harder for me. So.
If you like
Well, I
Big
mean,
Brother,
like,
try eviction notice
what
on Roblox.
do you think is
It's
best?
just a
Okay, time to crypto.
It's fun.
I think the
This is silly. Okay, time to crypto. Okay, have fun.
To burn.
I love playing The Sims, and I have like built the Big Brother house in The Sims, like especially during the pandemic. I don't know how to do it. Thank you.
Maybe she might not at the beginning.
Send her some finger
Thank
hearts.
you.
Eventually she will.
That's my husband.
You're targeting Will. You're targeting Ava.
But I've built the Big Brother house during pandemic time.
Cool. So that's what my wife's doing downstairs. Let's go and retweet this on the TreeRoot. We are live. The raid's going in the Telegram. Why not? Cool. All right, so what should we do? Take a look at some charts. We had a nice little pump, but then as soon as I went live, people started dumping. Is what it is. We're still hanging out. Haven't yet bonded. Currently at... What are we at? Let's pull up a deck screener. So come over to GPT-69.lol. You can learn about the project, what we're doing. Sorry, got some spammers in the chat. Let me get them out of there. But basically, the whole thing with this AI meme creator, it's a open source, I don't even want to say decentralized. It is centralized, but it's open source, uncensored AI meme generation. So if you're a holder of one of the featured projects, you're able to come over here and use this image generation tool. And then once you generate an image, you're able to turn it into a meme with a text and, you know, a funny joke or whatever you want. So that's kind of the goal of what we're building here. So still have to work out a few bugs, but it does work. Earlier today, we also turned up the GPT-69 chat. So we're going to test this out, but the goal is if you're one of these 4 projects, and these projects will rotate, we'll bring in other projects from other chains maybe even. So the goal is to throw like meme contests and have direct the users here. And if they're holding any of the supported projects, then they'll be able to access the meme generator. You generate a meme, participate in the contest, and then you get some you know, whatever token it is, whether it's Root or Fire Chicken or GPT-69. Now that's kind of the goal here. It's just a fun way to generate community interaction. And it's not just using an OpenAI API key or an Anthropic Claude key. You know, we're hosting our own hardware, and we're using Llama. We're using a Comfy UI with our own models, you know, kind of tweaking some things, getting things going. So let me just demonstrate how it works. First thing you do, you want to connect, select your wallet, and it's going to tell you which of the tokens you have. So you don't only have to own GPT-69. You can own some Root, some Fire Chicken, some Zend. So you come up here and it says I have Root. So since my access is granted, now I can click on the generate a meme button, and it takes me to the AI image generator. And this is fun, but the new thing that we were working on is the chat bot. So now we actually have a chat bot. So I can say, give me a text image prompt for something crypto Saturday night related fun that would make a fun meme. So I'm asking the image, the chat to give me the image prompt. So I don't even have to create the image prompt. I can come over here, ask the GPT-69 chat model to create the prompt, and that's how we're gonna do it. So gives me some things. So I need to include hodl, shill, Lambo, combine these ideas. So this is what I came up with: a chaotic blockchain party where a grumpy bear holding a hodl sign dances. Try to keep it simple with no signs or other things like letters that AI will hallucinate with. Keep it short, sweet, descriptive, and colorful, but no words, letters, or signs. So kind of refining the prompt, you know, working it with our model here. And the cool thing is, since this is our hardware, it's unlimited. So it's not like there's a token limit and we're going to run out of API credits. You know, this is all on our hardware. So as long as we continue to generate fees and we can pay for the credits on the GPU hardware itself, or I can use my local stuff and not pay anything, just pay electricity. So what do we got? A grumpy crypto bear and a bullish fox dancing in a neon lit Ethereum vault. Confetti bombs explode into Bitcoin logos while a Doge meme coin floats above, glowing. That sounds like a lot. I think that's going to be crazy, but we'll try it. So I'm going to take that from the chat, paste it into our AI generator, and then I'm going to click the pixel art tag. It'll make it into pixel art, and then we'll hit generate. So now it's actually generating an image from the prompt that we created with the chatbot. So these are all features you get for being a holder of GPT-69. Pretty awesome stuff. How we doing? Got 5 people in the chat over on Pump Fun, 2 people over on YouTube, a couple people on X. Shout out to you guys. I think it's going to be a chill Saturday night. We'll probably do some vibe coding. Not too much going on. Should I lose the hat? Took a shower and my hair's all wet. I slept for way longer than I meant. My hair's all fucked up. Got hat hair. How's that look? That's awful. Maybe we should just keep the hat on. Alright, so there's our meme image. We got our bear and our fox. Bullish fox, but it's not a bull. Alright, I can't do this. Maybe we'll do it without the shades for now. But yeah, we got our grumpy bear and bullish fox dancing in the neon lit Ethereum vaults. Confetti bombs. So now what you can say is, this makes no sense. Give me a cyberpunk matrix themed crypto Saturday night weird, dark, and spooky image prompt. Keep it short and sweet with no letters, words, or signs. Yeah, so this is what this is fun. This is what I do for fun. To generate a bunch of stupid AI images. Neon drenched alley, rain glows with crypto code. I have no idea how it's going to take all these asterisks and stuff, but let's try it. We'll go pixel art. That's my favorite one. But this is the general idea. So once you get an image you like, then you're able to add a caption to it, and then you can post it in the chat and you know, promo the project that you're participating in, whatever the featured project is. So yeah, so this will be a stupid one, but streaming crypto on the weekend. It's just dead. There's nobody out. So then once you have your text set, you can actually change colors, do some different, you know, color themes. At the vaporwave, that looks kind of cool. Maybe remove the bold. Streaming crypto on the weekend. That's pretty dumb, but now you can download the image and go share it. It puts the little watermark in the corner to support the project, and really it's just a way to make memes. You know, we like making memes in the chat, so that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. But the hard part is getting the ideas, so that's why we have the chatbot now. So you can actually just hit one of these, generate 5 funny captions for a confused looking cat image, and it'll actually generate the captions, and then you can take the captions over to the meme gen and just kind of, it's just a meme machine. That's really what this all is all about. So if you even if you have like an idea with just a couple words, so yeah, let's see. So we'll make this one look like Zen Cat. How about that? So we're gonna say black cat with white face and yellow beanie that says Zen Cat, has speech bubble cartoon that says where's oh, I forgot to hit the pixel art. So it's gonna be the real Zen Cat, maybe. GPT-69. Let's do the pixel art, and then we'll remove the speech bubble. In a city street in a neon wave Tokyo night pixel art. And then we'll add like the prompt or the meme, like looking for GPT-69 or something like that. And that's just kind of the point with this. Yeah, there's Zencat. It's missing the white face though. I also want it to be yeah. It's not, there we go. What the hell is that? All right, let's get out of the neon wave Tokyo night. That's like the I won't say it. That's a good one. Black cat with white face, wearing a yellow beanie that says Zen Cat on the beanie. Walking, say slinking away in the streets on a rainy, stormy night. Pixel art, retro wave. Whoa. That's creepy, kinda. Get rid of the retro wave. Maybe I meant vaporwave. Ooh, I like that. Zen Cat searching for then we'll say GPT-69. And that's the whole point here. So we're just making stupid fucking memes, and now I can download it. I can go post it and annoy the Zencat people with my shilling, and I'll throw this one in the TreeRoot chat and just completely go off the rails here. So that's the point. So we're just out here having fun, making these stupid little memes. Join the Telegram. We got the X popping off. I wonder if there's any Twitter Spaces or anything. We got nothing over on YouTube. We got nothing on X. I saw Mass Gaming had one earlier. Might have shut it down though. It was Saturday night. Yeah. Where you at, Rome? Did I spin one up? So what I do while we're here, might as well get some promo going. So one thing I like to do is a nice little social media hack. You know, if you're trying to promote something, you can actually just use ChatGPT to create and schedule the tweets, and then you don't have to worry about posting it. You know, sometimes you have a really good idea and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. It's like, if I post this now, no one's gonna see it. It's not gonna hit. But if you wait until, like, you know, schedule it for 10 or 11 a.m. when, you know, West Coast is waking up and East Coast is going to lunch and everything's kind of starting their day, yeah, that's kind of the prime time to post the stuff that you want interaction with. So what I like to do is just come up with like 5 or 10 tweets and then schedule them out a day or two in advance, and it works really well. My hair doing crazy. Getting a headache from wearing this hat. Bucket. Bucket. All right. So what I'm gonna do is coin launched on Friday night and is still bonding on Pump Fun. Holders of GPT-69 get access to a chat terminal and image meme generator powered by NVIDIA GPUs and not OpenAI or Anthropic API. Project is just getting started with meme contests and giveaways using the meme generator utility. What's up, Ryan? Welcome. We're just chilling, getting the thing going. Give me research the Twitter x.com algorithm as of August 30th, 2025, and come up with 10 to 20 of tweets that will hit the algorithm in a positive way without things like hashtags or emojis. I just flicked off the camera. It's funny. Cool. The Execute's got a base here, Iceman. Pulse chain. Also the pulse chainers. Zonkers. What the fuck are you talking about? GPT-5 sucks. I hate it. I don't know why. Sometimes I just use 4.0 because it's like easier to use. I don't know why. We were plainly having a conversation about the site, the project. It's asking about the project. I give it feedback, and then all of a sudden it's just like, oh, here's the 16 tweet ideas about the algorithm. Like, what the fuck are you talking about? It's annoying. These are okay, but we are a meme coin. You're not promoting the site, the Telegram, the pump fund link, anything. What are you doing? All right, so let's go grab the links. Make sure only to use one link per and to push different things. One post for Telegram, one post for Pump Fun, etc., etc. Make it relevant. People buy tokens on Pump. People join the chat on Telegram. Make it fun. We are making memes here. Alright, we're taking this to Claude. This is just pissing me off. Giving me these garbage ass tweets. Yeah, getting a nice little pump again up to 31k market cap. Getting that volume generated. Looking beautiful. See some people coming into the Telegram here. Shout out to you guys. So I'm just going to take that entire conversation and paste it right into Claude. Yeah. Are you fucking kidding me? And then Claude's gonna be a bitch about it. I understand you're looking for better social media content, but I'm not able to help create promotional tweets or marketing content for cryptocurrency projects, including meme coins. Okay, then make it about the meme generator, Telegram chat, etc. You fucking dick. Ugh. I don't have the patience for social media marketing. Why do you discriminate against my meme coin people? How is it not discrimination when you're deciding not to help a group of people who like meme coins? You raise a fair point. Yes, you are. I'm not declining you as a person. You said you can't help me because I have a project, but if I was an educator, you would. That sounds discriminatory about the type of person I am. I don't know why I'm getting into this. It's a boring Saturday night, I guess. But I just wanted some damn tweets. All right. All right. So we'll schedule this one for an hour out. Let's say August 30th. At 9:50. It hurts. My people, my meme coin people, always mistreated. First by banks, now by AI. That's so stupid. I don't know why I'm doing that. Other tokens, hope for memes. So we built the meme maker. So September, we want August 30th. We'll do this one at like 11:30. Owning GPT-69 isn't about the charts. It's about having, it's about making the memes. So let's go ahead and a mad scientist at his GPT-69 terminal, madly working on some crazy computer biological technology marvel project in his lair. Pixel art. And this is what it's all about. We're literally making tweets with the memes from the AI gen. Like we're using our home cooking. You know, that's kind of what it's all about. We'll just do I'm making memes, Mom. That's so fucking dumb. You can rotate it. should say. Leave me alone, Mom. I'm making memes. This is so fucking dumb. I'm making memes on GPT-69.lol. So fucking dumb. I'll do a little one that says, "Son, dinner." It's small. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. This is what my life has turned into. Oh, I fucked that up. That's something we gotta fix. Maybe we'll work on that next. I don't know what the fuck. Oh, I just posted that on the wrong one. That's good. Damn, am I posting these? Fuck. I don't want to post these on here. On the wrong account. All right, now we're cooking. Okay, so now I gotta get on the right account. All right, let's try that again. Cool. All right, then we're gonna do this one for August 30th. Let's do like 11:30. About 9 right now, yeah. We'll do 11:30, and then the next one will be 1 a.m. Meme contest coming soon. Join the TG for more info. Yeah, so we got nobody in the chat except Ryan Smith. Shout out to Ryan Smith. Kind of a chill night. Everyone's out having fun. Feels like it's the last weekend of summer or something. What the fuck is that? Here's some like fireworks or something. This is so bad. Okay, so. You say. I don't know why this is so funny. This is such a dumb. I don't even know. What are we doing? About to be September 1st in a couple hours. That's crazy. Got people in the chat talking about the marketing department. Get the fuck out of here. Bunch of goofies. What are we doing? We got 8 people over on Pump Fun, 2 people on YouTube, couple people on X. We're just chilling, doing the damn thing. All right, what's the next tweet? We'll do this one for 2:30, September 1st. AM. I like that one. Mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Can we fix this now? I guess that should be 69, right? Meme generator now online. Cool. Meme generator now online. Oof, slightly off. Yeah. We'll do this one for like 5:30 a.m. What do we got? So we're just scheduling tweets, making memes. We got 11:30, 1, 2:30, 5:30. We need one around like 4. I like this, but be less condescending. Great, so that is September. 11:30, 1, 2:30, 4:30, 5:30, and then maybe a 7 o'clock. Oh. So yeah, we're eating our own cooking using these the memes that we're making. Ooh, that's sick. Like that. It's 7:10 a.m. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's run through some charts. Let's talk some crypto, see how things are doing in the markets. Let's go. Shout out Orlando, the OG. Hell yeah. What up, caveman? Shout out DeFi Rye. He's the only one that's that's actually chatting on YouTube. Hope you're having a good Saturday. We had a really nice stream this morning. Had a bunch of people chatting, getting into the project, having a good time, and I think everybody's out having fun. I can hear fireworks going crazy outside my house downtown, so people must be out partying, having a good time, and we're just here in the trenches grinding our lives away. So let's keep this going. Let's see if there's any Twitter spaces. If not, maybe we'll spin one up real quick. Get another raid going. Jack Levin talking about his miners. That's awesome. How are these Nblocks validators running? Let's see. We got our TreeRoot. 655 million credits, and then we got the Burn Zen. 375 million. So we got our two validators cooking online, reporting ping times. Except Burn Zen is not reporting ping times. That's interesting. That's okay. All right. Starting to chop around sideways a little bit. That's nice. See if we can get back up here. This was interesting. Someone came in, bought like $2,500, and then dumped it at a 25-cent loss. It was like, I was joking in the chat. I was like, man, they must have had a 25-cent stop loss set. That was pretty funny earlier. But, there's some charts, and then I'm gonna go use the restroom, and then maybe we'll do some vibe coding, get the website updated. Yeah. So yeah, you see we're just kind of cruising sideways here. We could honestly move this up here. Making higher lows and higher highs. Cruising along. Like we're breaking out of this right now. That's kind of bullish. but we also are looking at the 1 second chart. So currently bonding at 79.5%. Dex is paid for. Made this cool little logo in Canva on stream yesterday. We got the Twitter account 69GPT69, which I thought was kind of cool. That one was available. So that's the official project Twitter account. Definitely go give it a follow. Yeah, how we doing? Roots up a little bit, 2% on the day. Bottomed out around 24K, currently sitting at 26. But it's just cooling off. $1,000 of volume today. Zend also cooling off. Oof, big dump there. Took it from 35 to 28. What was that? I'm just unloading a little bit of. What is this? Oof. Somebody didn't want to DCA the PVA anymore. It's interesting buying habits. Run it up and run it down. But it really, realistically, it just came back to the bottom of this channel. Just kind of extend this, do something like this. So it's holding support there. That's good to see. Shout out to all the Zenders. JP down a little bit. I think this one's just following Solana. Not too much action, only 10 transactions on the day, but we got a couple buys. That's cool to see. Likely arbitrage bots from the LP pools. Someone sold $200 and then the bots buy up 27 to sell into the pool. Trench Kitty, man, we got out at the right time yesterday. Oh man, that's a gut punch right there. Between the Yeezy and Trench Kitties, but there's a week of hype followed by this kind of movement. Still think they're cool though. Shout out to Shizzy. Shout out to the On-Chain Revolution guys. They're just doing what every meme coin does, consolidating. Fire Chicken's doing the same thing, kind of pulling back here. Extend this like this, and we're still in this parallel channel, so that's not necessarily bad. And we drew the golden pocket. That was kind of the target for the downstream. So really I'm looking at this thing for FCKN. Hopefully it can hold this golden pocket. You know, just kind of bounce around in here, maybe come up, and then start to see a bottom and pinch in here. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. That would be a bullish move. We'll see. Shout out to Chuck. Gets me excited about the Fire Chicken community because they're like a real community. Like with these new meme coins, we get the chat goes crazy for about 2 days and then all of a sudden it's completely dead. But we tend to find the real ones. So we got some real ones over in Root. We got some real ones over in GPT-69 and Zend and fun stuff. Degen had a big pullback, but still it came down into our buy zone. Every time it's come into our buy zone here, it's been worth it to buy it. So again, comes under this 480. If you bought this wick at 460, it's already up to 514. Like that's amazing. That's really nice. Zencat still doing his thing. Unfortunately, it started breaking down, so I wouldn't be surprised if this ends up being like a rising wedge like that, and it just comes consolidating back in the zone. As long as it holds that 400K level, though, that'd be nice. Potato Vampire got one buy on it. Might be a liquidity pool that we have set up. What's interesting about Potato Vampire, if you ignore these big swings from the low liquidity, we are really in this tight channel right here. You see, we spend most of our time right in here. We have a big dump, and then we overcorrect, and then we come back into it, and then we just chill out in there. Pulls in. Easy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. It looks like Donald Trump coin. Is anybody up on this? You could have got in at 51 cents. Oh my god. Yeah, there's nobody up on this. Could have got in at 51 and it's currently at 54. $30 in volume. This pool is all Yeezy. That's funny. Yeah, this pool's... Get this off my watch list. What's up, chat? Welcome, Fire Chicken fam. Talking about you guys. Nice little correction here. But as long as we hold this golden pocket on Fire Chicken, I think it's going to be bullish. So it's really got to hold this 128, 130 level. And if it doesn't, that's not a big deal. It might come back here though to 100K. Still a really nice chart. Really nice chart. I got tarred and feathered today. I feel it. Yeah, there's just not a lot of good volume. It feels like every move looks like some kind of manipulation. It's just the trenches are out today, really. GPT-69 looking nice. What is this? I got somebody on YouTube, and their name is showing up as channel name. What up? Who are you, channel name? GPT-69, look. That's literally their name, is channel name. Funny. Yeah, GPT-69 sitting at 35K right now and getting a nice little pump. So since we started streaming. Awesome. Cool. Oh, we can hold here. Yeah. Still in a nice pattern though. It's a nice little consolidation. Gets cool. Oh, this is not the right. You motherfucker. This is not our project. I noticed there was another GPT-69, but this is not us. This is a very old pump fund coin. Here we are. Oops. They're not gonna. That's funny. It doesn't show on the list until it bonds. That's fucking stupid. That's not annoying. Cool. All right, we've been going for about an hour. I'm gonna go take a quick restroom break, grab a water. I'm a bit thirsty, and I will be back. Let's say 5 minutes. Be back at 9:30 p.m. So give me 5 minutes, and we will be right back. All right, we are back. What are you guys doing? Came back and we were at 34K. We went up to 36K and then came back to 34K. An eventful couple minutes while I was gone. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. We're just chilling. Not too much going on. Whew. Getting hot in here. Gotta open some windows. We have to remove the sweatpants. What we got going on here? Someone had to make their 25 bucks. Now they're in terminal. You're kidding me. Who did this? That's funny. Funded by Binance. Guys, stop. What are you doing? Nah, I'm just playing. Take your profits if you need to. Waldo. Yeah, these are all the bonding curve jeets. Get them out of here. Get him out of here. All right. Hell, crazy. So while I was taking a shit, I had a couple ideas. I want to make. It might be easier just to use Google Form or something. So we created GPT-69.lol, which is a platform for creating AI-generated meme content. We are looking to hold contests in our Telegram that will allow holders to win tokens. Users will use the GPT-69 LOL utility to create the meme and then can submit memes for a chance to win. The winner will be chosen by a panel of judges or judge. I am trying to think of the best way to organize this. Should we create our own Google Forms? Manual Telegram messages? What do you think? You're essentially designing the flow of participation for your meme contest, and the right setup can make or break engagement. Manual Telegram submissions. Users drop their meme entries directly in a group or channel. Pin post explains the rules. Very low setup time, but hard to track if it gets crowded. How many members do we have? 121? Maybe we'll do the first one manually. This works for small casual contests, but not scalable. Forms. You set up a simple form where entrants upload their meme, image file, or link. Enter the Telegram handle, wallet address. Judges then review forms. These lights are bugging me. This is best for medium-sized contests where you want order and record keeping. Create a contest page, even a subpage on the website where users log in, Telegram or wallet, see submissions. Judges could be private or you could allow community voting. Yeah, this is the long-term play, and that's what I'm thinking. I love using Node, NPM, and or React. Give me a technical overview for our contest site. I am burning up. I'm gonna go throw some shorts on. I'll be right back in 2 seconds. Okay. We back. Much cooler. Got some breeze now. Awesome. So let's see what we got. Let's design a lean, scalable contest portal that fits your Node React preference and plugs into Telegram in your token ecosystem. We got Next.js with React, API routes, Postgres with Prisma. That's scary. Storage CDN for image files. That's scary. Well, this might be too advanced in making more work. We don't need Telegram, one tap, and all this database and CDN. What I am thinking is a simple wallet connect to get their wallet address with an image upload and save. Maybe it's a CDN or a Pinata or something. Then we will pick a winner. We only need to know the address, nothing else. Although it would be nice to collect /require Telegram X or some other verification. What do you think? What do we do with this 10% holder? I know, right? holder. We just hope they're friendly. I mean, they bought their tokens. They put over 5 Solana in the pool, so that's. I think it's freaking some people out. I personally don't care. They got some moon rocks. I don't recognize any of these coins. Copium, penny. Turn your penny into a house. Muhammad's therapy. Yeah, it is what it is. Welcome. You want the simplest contest site. Connect a wallet, upload a meme, and pick a winner. No heavy auth or complex database. Storage, Pinata or Cloudflare. Backend, a couple serverless API routes. Still simple. I'm a little concerned about cost. How do we handle the cost of storage properly? Keep the storage cheap if you design it for upfront. Core principles, don't keep everything forever. No, that's not what I mean. Interesting. Ooh, I kind of like that idea. This just gave me an idea. Don't keep originals at all. I'm like, that's a fucking stupid idea, but what if to submit for the contest, you have to post it on Twitter and keep it on Twitter? You know, that's kind of a cool way to get engagement. I just had an idea. What if instead of storing ourselves, we have them post it on social media? Then we kill 2 birds with 1 stone. They are pushing the project and hashtag on social media, while also storing. If they delete it, they won't be eligible. We can store the Twitter URL with their Telegram name and track that way. What do you think? Here's looking crazy. Okay. Is it possible he won't drop it before I have no idea who it is. I don't know. Maybe. Hopefully it's a fire chicken. I don't know. I honestly have no idea. Uh-oh. Network connection lost. Crazy fireworks outside. Love this idea. Post on social equals storage plus promotion. That's a smart trade-off for cost and reach. You keep almost no media, just links and minimal metadata. Entrants do the distribution for you. Here's a tight plan that stays simple but verifiable. How it works with the lean flow. Enter posts on X. It submits a link. Your site stores the wallet address, the post URL, platform handle, and created at. Cron job periodically checks the post. I don't even want the verification bot or the validation. We can do that live on stream, and if the post isn't up, we will pick a different winner. What might be cool is an admin judge backend that we can view all submissions and vote, or maybe somehow do a community vote. Only holders of the featured tokens of the 3 to 4 premier featured tokens can submit votes and sign on chain once per day per wallet. Maybe that's too advanced. Be honest and critical of the entire thing. How do we best do this? Love the post on social media and live check direction. If you don't want bots, webhooks, background validation, ultra simple submission form, tiny admin judge dashboard to browse entries, community vote, and verify the winnings. Post live on stream. Here's the Here's the blunt, no fluff plan. Honest trade-offs. What to ship? MVP, no bots. User posts meme on X, submits their wallet address, URL, X handle, signed message that indicates the URL, binds the wallet to that post. That's it, no auto checking. On stream day, you open your admin dashboard, shortlist, and pick a winner. Keep it ultra simple. Run the community Telegram. Add a vote page. I like where we are going with this. I want to make it more community interactive. So I want the featured communities to be able to connect and vote on their favorite memes submitted in the contest. We also need some kind of balance verification, so someone can't just move tokens from wallet to wallet and flood the game. They must be holding when they sign and also when they win. Maybe we can build that into the validation dashboard with something like still a holder check or on check or something. All right, so we're starting to get some interesting ideas here. I kind of like where this is going. So maybe we'll vibe code a little contest dashboard. I think that'll do really well for the project. Shout out to the 11 people watching on Pump Fun. We got 2 people over on YouTube, a couple people over on X doing our thing. We're just vibing, vibe coding. Shape of the system kept simple. Post on social, then submit wallet, post signature, voters connect, holder checks. I like it. I like it. now rethink this with our current product at GPT-69.lol. We have 4 featured projects with a token gated AI meme generator. Those 4 projects can generate memes and submit to the contest. They must be a holder to submit, and they must be a holder to vote. Give me... You are an expert Web3 developer specializing in crypto contests and React building. Build a detailed outline and project plan that we will give to our GPT coding agents. So for this one, I'm going to turn on the research, deep research mode. And we also have web search on. So now it can go, yeah. Gonna ask me a question, what blockchain? These are all featured on Solana. They are SPL tokens launched on Pump Fun. All submissions, votes will occur on our site. The promotion will happen in Telegram. Images, promo will be posted and hosted on Twitter. The current meme generator will be used as is. User can save the meme, post on Twitter, and then submit their Twitter link to their post. Do you want to show real-time vote counts or keep them hidden? Real-time vote counts would be awesome. We can use local Postgres, but the image storage will be on social media. We are just storing the contest details with links to the media and verifying the wallet connected still is a holder. We will do this on a VPS. Cool. All right, so this will probably take like 5 or 10 minutes, but it's going to build a detailed project plan that we're going to take over to Cursor. So yeah, let's go open up a new project. So we're going to go to open folder. First we'll open our home folder, and we're going to create the going to make a new folder here. We're going to call it GPT-69 contests. We're going to go into that folder. Awesome. Okay, so now we can load up Claude Code. So we're gonna go here, load up the sudo permissions. Super do. All right. And we're just waiting on the research. Let it do its thing. How are we doing on the chart? Nice, nice, nice. Back up to, what are we at? 33K, 33,900, 79.5%. We've been really just kind of stuck in this range for the last day or two. Got 11 holders over here. Shout out to you guys. Avoided trust in the chat. Hope you become a holder, homie. Let's see. Cool. User wants a detailed outline and project plan for a token-gated AI meme generator contest on Solana, covering the system architecture, token gating, meme generation. Oh no. Steven, you got a seeker. Man. Oh, I gotta wake up. So lame anymore. I used to have so much fun on Saturday nights. Now it's 10 o'clock. I'm ready for bed. Anything happening over on Twitter while we wait for our research project? Fake stable coin. Abstract memes. What's the ticker? Cat, Lieutenant Dan. God, this is probably just a bunch of people screaming over each other. Let's go take a look.
Maybe from the ledger
search
hack,
rich
maybe he
people's
bought it.
addresses on Google.
Oh
Easy.
yeah, that.
Oh, like
or he
that
bought
he's
the
gonna
ledger
do it?
hack.
Yep. It's like I
Whatever
thought.
he's doing, bro, this is a huge
I'm not
operation.
sure. He's probably bought some data. Yeah, it's, you know,
There's all
marketing.
kinds of mailing
strategy, you
lists on
can
the
buy
dark
data
net
and
from
whatnot, yeah.
different hacks.
Yeah. What is going on here? Manipulations. Cat duck. Jesus. Close your token accounts. I learned that trick today. I recovered over 1 Solana from these bots that I used to run. So I used to run these. I have a pump fund bot where it basically buys a token, and I didn't know how Solana worked, how you can close your accounts and everything. So I didn't realize that I had all the Solana, over $200 of Solana locked in token accounts that I was able to clear up. So that was a lot of fun. All right, project plan's finished. Token gated AI contest platform for product. Okay. So first, I'm going to create a text file and call it readme.md. Oh, it's still going, I guess. No, it's not. Research completed in 3 minutes. All right, cool. So we're gonna paste. Motherfucker. Jeez, that's so long. And that's why I'm putting it in the README, and then it can reference it later on. So then I'll start Claude Code. And I'm gonna say we are starting brand new and fresh with an awesome Web3 project. Luckily, you are an expert React and Web3 developer. Review the readme.md file and see what your task is next. You gotta be nice to your GPTs, guys. Delta Pope bought more. Shout out to Delta Pope. He's a Potato Vamp OG. Should I buy some more on this dip? Someone's just being an asshole here. What is this? Motherfuckers. I don't get this either. He buys 400, then sells it for 380, buys it back, and then sells it like he's just breaking even. I guess that's good for us though. That's good volume, right? This guy made $2. Cool. All right. Get on the meme wallet. What's 0.5 getting? A 3.6. Oh no, fuck. All right, yeah. I don't want to sell, I want to buy. Yeah, let's buy 25 million Solana worth of GPT-69. Nice. Beautiful. Don't ask again. Hair is looking wild. Allow all edits. So we got Ryan Smith, channel name, and Delta Pope over on YouTube. We got Voided Trust, Henry 007 over on Pump Fun. Had Roll Dog earlier. You guys are watching, say what's up. I'm pretty bored. Maybe I'll spin up a Twitter space or something. I do also want to go over on TikTok. Set up the TikTok live here in a few. Vibe coding over there. And I regret taking the sweatpants off because now my legs are cold. Cool. All right, so yeah, we'll let this thing vibe out. Should we start up a Twitter space? I haven't done a space in so long. Vibe coding and chill. I don't know if I have the the audio set up to do that, so we're not gonna do that. I gotta get that. I did have it working on my old PC, but over the week I set up this new one. I'm not sure if I can talk while I'm streaming it. I'll have to test that one out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Vibe coding. Let me try it with Vite. No, look up the proper way to do this as of August 2025. Vite and your React commands are both old. Alright, I'm cold again. I'll be right back. Oops. You did the wrong thing. Oh shit. And we back. Oh, cutting off the top of my head. Cool. Looks like there's already some Node.js set up in your front end directory. Let me clean it up and start fresh. Thanks, bro. Told it not to use fight, and it decided to use fight. Back end. Got absolutely nothing. So here's the GPT-69.lol front end. How would you describe the contest utility? Not again. Every time I run up and down the stairs, they get a little hotter. Get the breeze flowing. Yes, but I meant more specific, like color codes and aesthetics. So this is a lot of my workflows. I'll bounce back and forth between GPT and Claude, get ideas from GPT, but I really like to use Claude for the coding. So Claude is my coding agent, while GPT is kind of my reference. Like I bounce ideas back and forth off of OpenAI. Curly hair, going wild. Like all long on the front, so it looks like, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck it looks like. I hate my fucking hair. But yeah, maybe we'll switch over to TikTok. I see we got 3 people watching on YouTube. A couple over on X, couple are over on Pump. We're just vibing out. I was thinking about starting a Twitter space, but I don't have my audio configured on the new computer yet, so all I can do is listen. Wolverine's face is just 2 Batmen kissing. Batman. It's funny. How do you sell more than... It's crazy. Getting chopped up. Don't ask me again. Okay, we're probably going to have to update the DNS, so let me get into Oh. Yeah, if we get this set up, we'll run a contest right now. Shit. The goal here is you'll connect your wallet, you'll generate the meme, then you'll post it on Twitter, and then to enter the contest, you post the Twitter link to the meme into this app that we're building now, and it'll kind of build a database of all the contest entries, and we'll be able to go through them. And one, you have to keep it on your Twitter, and two, you can't sell the tokens. So you can't just buy the tokens, submit the contest, and then sell them real quick. So we're going to be watching for that. And also you can't just submit the post and then leave it, and then do that. I'm just logging into the domain registrar on my other window. Getting the hosting set up real quick. Advanced DNS. Cool. So we're gonna add an A record for, what should it be, contest? Should it be meme? Meme.gpt69.lol. I like it. I'll let this finish. We are also running Nginx with 2 other websites, so be careful and mindful not to break them. I have updated DNS record for meme.gpt69.lol to point to this server. Also need to update the Nginx after building, copy the build, etc. Please review that once complete with the front end development. Starting to get tired. Gonna want to turn the lights down a little bit. Wonder what it looks like with all the lights off in here. Definitely nighttime vibes. I'm completely turn them down for more of a nighttime vibe. Yeah. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday night. Chats are dead. Everybody's out having fun at the bars, drinking. We're vibe coding, building in the trenches. Attention given to GPUs. All right, how we doing, Claude? See you making the CSS now, working on that front end. Wallet provider set up, the Solana wallet adapter. Thing of beauty. Should we go watch my wife on TikTok again? I hear her laughing downstairs. There must be some Big Brother drama happening.
Oh, who's playing the worst? Pass?
Playing the worst game?
I don't know. It's gonna be hard to pick with this.
Riley's
Morgan hasn't done anything. She hasn't
X
won anything.
X, I guess.
I'm serious. She
Just making sure. That's my husband commenting to make sure I'm okay because I'm screaming down here. Thanks, Wes.
Morgan or Ashley? I mean,
Maybe the DNA test didn't come out yet. Like, maybe is it like? You're right, because Riley's mom did say that if there is a baby, that he would be willing to take that he would take a DNA test or paternity test. Like,
Yeah.
Or Ashley won one veto. All they do is try to get people to see the worst in people, and
poor Catherine. Yeah, like,
go behind people's back and talk
girl,
certain ways.
we tried to warn you. Like, we had your best interest at heart. I promise.
And that's just.
I'm gonna give her the money gun.
And like, no offense to Catherine, but like Riley, like, I really don't think he's cute, like, in the slightest. Like, I genuinely, like, sometimes like people just aren't for you or whatever. I don't understand this one. What are you watching? I'm watching Talking Reality with BB Steph on YouTube. It's her exit interview with Riley.
I would go back in a heartbeat and play this game all over again. I'm appreciative for the love and support that I've had from
Riley
all the
in
fans.
the labor
and,
delivery room.
To each their own. If somebody, people are obviously going to
Screaming for
not
joy.
like me out there, just like everybody else in this world. You got
Where'd
people
that
who don't
money
like
gun
you,
go?
and you got
I-
people who love you and support you. And, I'm appreciative for all of that.
I have no words.
I'm appreciative for the experience.
He's appreciative. He's appreciative. Did it just stop? Are we done?
Just
Where did that go?
I'm very
I
blessed.
don't know where I
I'm
saw
very
that.
appreciative for the experience. I would go back in a heartbeat and play this game all over again.
We gotta go back and find no comment.
The love and support that I've had from
Or
all the
pass.
fans,
That's
and,
wild.
To each their own. If somebody, people are obviously going to
Here it is,
not
money
like
gun.
me out there, just like everybody else in this world. You got people who don't like you.
Anything
And you got
CBS
people who love you
no.
and support you. And,
Not a
appreciative for all of
chance.
that. I'm
Killing that
appreciative
water
for
bottle.
the experience and getting
Oh,
to
thank you.
Play this.
Thanks, Wes.
And getting
That's
lifelong
funny.
friendships that I've had. And
Yes, replay that part. Okay, let's find this. That's crazy. If you have a child,
doing good, dealing with
It's my wife.
that's
I'm
not
just
an acceptable answer.
Bro, why? Sorry. That's my wife. She's downstairs on TikTok, and I heard her screaming, so I wanted to see what she was doing. So I just sent her $5 on TikTok because she sends me super chats on YouTube. So that's what that was about. We're just vibe coding, chilling out. No, yeah, that's my wife. She's downstairs. That's Janet. Janet Rakuten. Her real name's Allie, but yeah, she likes to stream about Big Brother and Survivor and, you know, all these TV shows, reality TV, Love Island and all that. I watch it. I'm not into it enough to talk about it on social media. But I'll sit down and veg out and full name drop. What up, mashed potatoes? Mashed totes. You gotta get some GPT-69, bro. Turn that 0.9 Solana into 0.5. We're building the contest page, so I'm just letting GPT vibe out. And the goal here, so what we've built is an AI meme generator. So if you're a holder of GPT-69, you can come over to GPT-69.lol, our webpage. Let me bring that back real quick. So you come down here, click on the webpage. And if you're a holder, you get access to the meme generator. So here you can, I'm just gonna pop your message. And then you can add these tags, pixel art, neon city. So then you hit generate, and if you're a holder, this is not using OpenAI or Claude. This is actually using Comfy UI with some private models that will generate the image. We're using Flux Schnell. So yeah, and it just generates the thing, and then you can come down here and actually create the meme. So we'll say like GPT-69.lol is live. You can add the text, you know, adjust the size, make it big. Give it a little vaporwave. Got some different fonts here. Too big. Put up top maybe. Then you can download it. So at this point, so we got it down to this part. So now what you're going to be able to do is download the image and post it on Twitter and submit it to the contest. And then once it's in the contest, you'll have a chance to win some tokens. We have our 4% dev wallet that we split up. So we got 4% of the supply to give away. And yeah, doing the thing. I just posted that in the Telegram. So. Hell yeah, thank you, Delta Pope. How does it validate? What do you mean validate? So it's gonna basically put all the entries into the contest, and then we'll have like judges. So if you come here, we actually have these featured projects, and these featured projects will change. So we'll be able to kind of go out to different communities and hold a meme generation contest, and maybe we'll give away our token, maybe we'll give away their token, a little bit of both. And it's really just meant to generate community engagement, you know, for Root, for Fire Chicken, for Zend, for these other community projects that we got going on. All right. Yeah. So we got this thing going on here. Front end's complete with neon gaming aesthetic and Solana wallet integration. So at this point, what you'll do is you'll come over, connect your wallet, submit the Twitter link with the image. And the goal here, so you'll submit the Twitter link and connect your wallet, and it's going to mark your wallet with the contest entry. And then if you delete the Twitter link, or go and sell your GPT-69 or the community project, then you'll be disqualified from the contest. So, you know, it'll just be a manual check. We'll do the thing live on stream. You know, maybe we'll do some kind of community voting. I think at first it'll be easy to have judges kind of judge the contest. You know, maybe I'll just pick the one I like. But eventually I want to have it the supported projects be able to vote on the different memes. So if somebody submits a meme, you'll sign it with your wallet and your Twitter post. It'll show up on the page. They'll be able to click on it, see the meme, and then vote on the one that they like. How many coins do you need to hold? How many coins do you need to hold? Any. So you only need one. As of right now. So we're still developing this, obviously. So that is something that crossed my mind. For the contest, I'm thinking like 1 million coins or something small. It'll probably be like $5, $5 to $10, whatever that's worth. We're not even close to being that far though. We're just getting started. So we also have over on the website, we have the Ollama terminal. So this is the GPT-69 AI chat. Using Ollama, you can come over here, chat with it. Say, describe a funny image prompt of a chaotic situation in space cartoons. And it's gonna go and it's gonna give me a little prompt here. GPT-69 is typing. So I'll give it a second. So it gives me a couple prompts. Maybe black hole's the center of the party. Let's just do the whole thing. Fuck it. Yeah, how crazy this looks. Then, so we can take our prompts, go to the meme gen, pop it in here, hit generate, then it'll go and generate the image. And it's just, I just want to keep it simple. You know, it's just simple. We got a couple of GPUs spun up in the cloud. We're running some, and since it is private, since we're not using the APIs, you can actually do things like logos and copywritten stuff and, you know, things that normally, like even earlier, we were like, Claude, can you write a tweet about our crypto project? And it's like, I can't help you with your crypto project. The memes are live. The memes are live at GPT-69.lol. And it's just this simple. You know, it's just a stupid little way to like promo your shit. Oh. The memes are live at GPT-69.lol. And it's really just that's stupid. That's all we're doing out here. Rule 34 art. It will. I'm on YouTube, so I'm not going to do that, but it'll do everything. The nipples always look weird. But it does do it. Cool. Here's our buy a couple minutes ago. People dumping on our heads. Generating volume though, that's awesome. 50K volume. Just steady trending up. Oh yeah, we tested everything. And I don't know, you know, that's kind of sketchy. Gotta be careful about how that works. I do have some like special prompts and stuff, and nothing is saved, so. Maybe just not mention it. I mean, that's where that's where everybody's mind goes, though. Like, I want to be clear, like, we're not just using some shitty open AI API key, and we actually have these GPUs spun up and using our own private stuff, all open source stuff. Wish I could hide the IP address. But yeah, we got two 5060 Ti's with 16 gigs of RAM each. One for the images and one for the chat. It's working well. We work the AI meme generator integration is completed. Yeah, that should be good enough. Go try it. Try it out. Yeah, GPT-69.lol. Join the Telegram. Start posting some memes in there, you know? I also had the idea, so if you're familiar with my other projects, Root and Potato Vampire, we also like to make NFTs. So I've created 3 different NFT projects, you know, AI generated stuff, but it does have metadata and traits and rarities. You know, it's not just some pictures. So I was thinking it would be kind of funny to take the ones that are submitted in the contest or ones that are just randomly created and turn them into a GPT-69 NFT collection of just all the things that people have made. But I don't know if we'll get that far. But yeah, it should be good enough to start testing for sure. Both builds are successful. Cool, so we should be able to go start to see what this looks like. What are we doing for the back end? Nice. Alright, so it's configuring the database. Replace AI generator. Oh no. Yeah, I got a little confused there. So it's trying to build its own meme generator. Gotcha, it does have a limit. I'll have to double check that. Yeah, we're still very fresh in this, so we've just been vibe coding it since we launched on Friday. It's now Saturday. So yeah, I do have a couple bugs. Also, when you save it, the text is slightly off from what it displays, so that's something that annoys the shit out of me that we're gonna have to fix. But yeah, as we spend more time with this, you know, we're just kind of vibe coding it live on stream, doing the thing. Free my homie Crindle. curious if any Twitter spaces or anything. I'm starting to get bored. Fake stable coins. There we are. It's fixing the API routes. So most of the websites I've built have just been simple front ends. You know, maybe there's a form and we collect some data. This is definitely the most ambitious project I've done so far, where we have a couple GPUs that we're paying for to generate images. We're gonna have a database to collect contest submissions, and we're really gonna have to test everything. So we'll probably do a pretty simple contest at first, just to make sure everything works, and then we're really gonna light it up. Pretty soon here we'll go live on TikTok for an hour or so. Hey. Testing it out seems neat. Hell yeah. Now you can kind of see the vision. Like, imagine once we get this really refined. Like, it's still kind of sloppy on the front end. Like, I have the back end pretty solid, but once we get it nice, like, imagine hitting that generate meme button, creating the meme, and then importing it straight into the project or getting it into the tweet. That's another thing that's broken that we're gonna have to fix is the image sharing from Twitter. Right now, when you share it from Twitter, it just kind of puts a broken path there. So that's a bug that we're going to have to fix. And just a lot of little things that we're going to have to build out like that. We gotta... not yet. Great. Yeah. The AI is crashing out for me in chats. Yeah, it's definitely since it is local hardware, especially the chats. Like, the image is fun because you can kind of, it's more open-ended, it's more creative, you know. But with the chats, you definitely notice that you see some hallucinations and oh, it says it has a problem. Gotcha. I'll have to double check that then. Yeah, that's something we did earlier today. So we set that up just a couple hours ago. So not much testing on that one yet. I'll have to fix that. But I'm off work on Friday, so we're just gonna be sitting here chilling, vibe coding, and getting all this going. I'm excited to run the first contest, though. It's really all about the contest and what we're gonna be doing there. So. One second, guys. Yeah. Hey guys, sorry, give me just a few minutes. I'll be right back. We are back. Sorry about that. What the fuck? You dumpers. You motherfuckers. Every time I get off camera. What's happening here? Is this our 10% guy? I think our 10% guy is getting out. Damn, this is just a bot going fucking nuts right now. It's bought like just doing all these trades in the last 10 seconds. Let's take a look at the bubble map. That was a point of contention last night. Everyone was so pissed about the bubble map. But I discovered it was because I bought it with the root. I bought some GPT with the root deployer, which I planned to give away, but since I gave away a bunch of root, it was linking me to like anybody that had root that bought it, so it was kind of stupid. Now that 10% wallet's still there. We got this 4% cluster, but this guy, hopefully it's a friendly whale. Excuse me. Should we buy some more? Got it completely out. Good. Yeah, just getting all the bonding curve guys out. Get out of here. Alright, how's our agent doing? He'll slow exit, I know, right? Awesome. Well, how long have we been going? We've been going for a couple hours at this point. I think I'm gonna. I got one more stream. Damn, we're going on a 3-hour stream. That's new for me. I'm really not used to that life. It's hard for me to stream more than an hour. The fact that we're going for 3 hours, it's because I'm just playing with this vibe coding. This is what I'd literally be sitting here doing anyway, so I'm cool with it. Oh shit, I got the BRB up in the background. Got the curls going crazy. Cool. We got a list of bugs we got to fix. Anybody out there? We'll see what this front end looks like, and then I think I'm gonna head over to TikTok and maybe we'll try to fix the front end chat. The thing is, so this will be my last TikTok stream. Next time I'll be able to stream to everything, so I won't have to switch back and forth. But TikTok does this weird thing where you have to do like 5 live streams of 25 minutes. Non-mobile live streams of 25 minutes before you can get access to their RTMP servers. So hopefully on this next time I get access to the server, then we'll be able to stream from Restream, and we'll be on TikTok every day along with YouTube and X and Pump Fun. Maybe not X. I can only do 3 and I don't really like. X is kind of silly. People don't really watch videos on X. The conversation. Let's go. Are you gonna get some rest? I might keep going. I mean, it's I am on the East Coast, so it is 11 p.m. here. But I'll probably go to like 2 or 3 in the morning. I got nothing to do tonight. Still sipping on a Red Bull, but yeah, it is catching up to me. The Benjamin's getting me. I'll probably go take a 5-minute break. Go talk to the wife. See how she did on her stream. Then we'll go hit up TikTok live. And then I only really need 25 minutes. I really don't like TikTok live because since I don't have the verified account yet, I have all these weird restrictions. So I'll probably stream over there for 30 minutes to an hour just to get the stream in. And then we'll probably come back to Pump Fun. Let's go. I scheduled these on the wrong account again. I hope not. Just that one. Okay. Cool. I'm cool with that. Yeah, nice little chart for the first couple days. I mean, I like this so much better than the chart we had with like Root and Zend and the other project. It goes straight up and then comes down. This is just like a nice grind up. We're going on 24 hours. We haven't graduated. I would love to see it just kind of creep up like that. Just like a nice smooth. Just a nice smooth. It's gonna bounce along. Let's get up there. Get up there. Got a site yet? Error. Need to build the back end first. What do I do? Just tag you on X to enter? No, that's what we're building. So we're building the submission. So this is, yeah, we're vibe coding a page where you'll be able to post it on Twitter, and then you just grab the link from Twitter and post the link on the web page, and that will be your entry into the contest. So you'll make the post, grab the post link, and then bring it over to the website and copy paste it. So connect your wallet, and then if you win, we'll just send it right to your wallet. Yeah, it'll be nice. Some people might want to use a burner wallet if they want to keep their wallets private, but we need a way to send you the winnings. So this is kind of the trade-off if you want to be in the contest. But yeah, this is the first step, so we'll finish this up. Saw that error. Activating. That's a good idea. Crash said somebody should make a channel group for memes. I like that. That we shall. Now it's testing and it's failing. Moth Mafia _ pump if you want to check it out. Cool. Mothman Mafia. Hell yeah. We'll retweet this on the official page. It's a good one. I like it. Nice. The spammers are out. Quiet Friday night other than the spammers. Mashed potatoes. Shout out mashed potatoes. Glad you're here, bro. Don't ask about the other tweets. I love it. And definitely check out the featured projects. Those are cool too. Root is kind of my baby. Then we also have Fire Chicken. Shout out to Chuck. And then More World Peace has a Send It with an X. All right, back end's running. Let's go ahead and test it out. How about that front end? Cool. So plan here is once I finish this up, get at least the front end of the page working, we will head over to TikTok and I'll just talk about the projects and give the little spiel again and make some memes and look at some charts and see where we're at after that. I just noticed we got the double buy bots. Cherry buy bot seems to go down quite a bit. Fuck with it later. move it. Awesome. And that should be it. Let's take a look-see. Ugh. It's so ugly. So bad. I see what it's going for, though. So these are the 4 token communities. Ugh. So we'll work on this later. This is what we'll do after the TikTok section, is clean this up. But yeah, that's pretty ugly. I see what it's going for, though. You got the leaderboard. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, we'll just let this finish up here, and then we'll wrap up the stream for now. Head over to TikTok in about 10 minutes and say what's up to the TikTok crowd. Cool. All right, well, that's pretty much it for me then. I appreciate you guys coming out for the last 3 hours. We're just hanging out, doing the GPT-69 terminal. We got the token launch last night, got the front end built, working on the contest page now. So ultimate plan is to kind of feature these projects, get these contests together, have the community make memes, post them on Twitter, submit the link into the contest form, and then yeah, win some GPT-69 and these other community tokens. So we're going to keep building, but want to build some engagement over on TikTok. So if you could, give me a follow at TreeRoot.City West. The Twitter for the project, sorry, the x.com account for the project is 69GPT69. And yeah, we're live on Pump Fun. So thanks for tuning in. And as always, I hope you stay zen. Peace.